BetterAuth versus Clerk, choosing the right authentication solution for modern apps. Authentication is a foundational part of modern web apps. Picking the right tool affects security, ease of development, and how much control you retain. BetterAuth and Clerk both aim to simplify auth, but with different philosophies. So BetterAuth is open source first and developer controlled, while Clerk offers a full-featured hosted platform with pre-built UI and enterprise features. So BetterAuth is a open source TypeScript first authentication framework, agnostic and plugin driven, offering features like email password login, auth, two-factor authentication, multi-tenancy, session handling, and optional SSO, all without vendor lock-in. Pros: this is fully open source, framework agnostic, and MIT license, supports email, password, OAuth, 2FA, multi-tenant SSO via plugins, integrates easily with TypeScript, Node.js stacks, no external SaaS dependencies or hidden fees. Drawbacks: still relatively new ecosystem is building, requires manual setup and integration with your own database and UI, lacks pre-built UI, developers build sign-in components themselves. Now, Clerk, on the other hand, is a identity platform offering complete user management. It provides pre-built customizable UI components for login sign-up, passwordless and social auth, session management, and rich enterprise-grade features like SSO, web-free login, and team organization support. Pros: full suite of pre-built UI components for authentication flows, supports passwordless social providers, multi-factor auth, web-free logins, excellent documentation and framework guides for React, Next.js, etc., and also dashboard-based configuration and user management. Drawbacks: proprietary platform, not open sourced, cost scale with active users and features, and it is also less customizable in terms of deployment and data control. So choose BetterAuth. You got full control, open source transparency, and the flexibility to build custom auth systems in TypeScript without relying on external SaaS. Or go with Clerk if you prefer hosted, fully featured authentication platform with polished UI components and enterprise features, and you're comfortable playing for convenience and scale.